Hi everyone, it's Tina and welcome back to my channel. And today I will be showing you a different way of using Swarovski Crystal Pixies in a feature nail. What we're going to film today is basically a cute little feature nail with Swarovskis and the Crystal Pixie. This time I thought I'd do like a cute little, almost like a little ice crown. So we are using the Swarovski Crystal Pixie Cute Mood in Petite for this look. Starting off I use a builder gel. This one is a UV gel because it is thicker. I think I said in my last video you can use the LED versions, but they are a lot thinner in viscosity. So this one doesn't self-level, which means when you do designs like this, they're not running all over the place, which gives it really, really good product control. Basically everywhere that I'm going to be putting the Swarovskis on is where I'm putting the gel. So when you've got pretty even coverage, I usually go for five to 7 crystals. These are quite big, so I'm using 6. Make sure you keep everything over a tray, because then you lose everything. I mean, let's be honest, you lose half of them anyway. But at least the tray sort of helps catch some of it. Alright, pour it straight over. Give her a tap. Okay. So for pixies I use this flat brush. It's really, really firm as well, so it helps to pat everything, and I clean up the shape as well. So I'm just giving it more of an arch instead of more of a, I guess, triangle sort of look. And because it's gel, it's really pliable. I can just move it wherever I want. Okay. So at this point, you've got 2 options. You can either flash cure it and then set everything that you've got, or you can top coat. I am going to top coat it now, because I found that if I top coat it now, the top coat sort of blends in that area there. And then you don't, well, it gives it more of a flush finish really, because then I can push in the top coat and sort of tuck it in, and everything just blends really well instead of having like a solid line of gel and then top coating it. And that way I get to seal all the edges, so you don't have like a rough edge to pick them off. Okay, so once you've top coated and you've sealed all the edge, then we cure that. And then we do the same thing on the other finger. Alright, we're back and we've cured the original finger. I'm just going to pour these Crystal Pixies back in. Knowing me, I'll be like showing the camera and I'm like, look at these. Oh, I've just dropped all of them onto the floor. That is a really quick, simple way to do a Crystal Pixie feature nail.
You should do a blooper sometimes, like at the end of it, like failed attempts. That'd be so funny.
Yeah, imagine I filmed the whole thing and it didn't record.
Oh my god, you'd be so upset.
I'd be so pissed. The pixie goes. The pixies are going to so many people will pick at Christy.
Stop picking on Christy.
No, a lot of people will pick at. Freaking hell. What are you doing? I don't want the crystals. The crystals and the pixies. Go make yourself a tea, go make yourself a coffee, come back. Oh, there's still 5 minutes left to go on this video. Has Starbucks ever had a drive-through?
I don't know.
doubt
it
it.
is. I don't want to get out of my car.
I mean, if you're that lazy. Because this stuff cost me my small kidney.
Does it actually? Is it that expensive for that little thing?
Let me focus first. Just make sure you wipe the top, make sure you wipe the top tacky layer away.